Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got Genesis G80 3.3 Sport 2018. It has 146 kilometers there. Customer complaint, check engine light, and customer reports hesitation while driving. So I finished our full system scan here, or a health report, and we got a code for a. Oops, the radio. We have a code for a cylinder 2 misfire, right? We got AM voltage, rationality, lead message, timeout on the EBS, and exhaust valve control solenoid circuit. So there's four on the engine side. And for the seat lumbar bolster, that's a motor fail. I'm not gonna worry about that. But we got these three codes here, right? Um, so I'm just gonna save that for now. Before I clear that, because my advisor told me once you put it in drive, it starts to be running rough, right? So let's go back to our cancel. Let's go enter here. Let's go to our engine side and let's go to our data stream. Let's monitor our misfire if it's really number 2. And then for the exhaust valve solenoid there, we have to check that circuit too. So what do we need? Let's go actual engine speed. We go current camshaft, inlet, there's exhaust there too. Let's do some fuel adaptation. There's fuel trims. What else? What else do we have? Do you have a misfire feed? Okay, total misfire. Okay, let's click this. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's it for now. Temperature, and then let's press OK. Okay, let's graph this so it's easier for us. Up. Next page. Okay, let's start this and see what we have. Okay, we got a misfire here. It's counting 42 compared to our number 6, nothing. It's counting number, so I guess this is number 2. Yeah, so it's really misfiring at number 2. Okay, doing fuel adaptation is 3%. Exhaust 114, 114 bank 1 and bank 2. At least they're almost the same. And our inlet is 130 and 134. But we have a misfire here. So let's put it in drive and see how bad it's going to go misfire. Yeah, that's bad. So let's put it in park. So now, let me just save this sample here. Save. So I remove our current camshaft readings. Right now I have the bank 1, bank 2 sensor, oxygen sensor, upstream and downstream. Still have misfiring number 2. So I want to try to see what we have here on our, this is the downstream, it's reading lean, right? If I'm gonna raise the RPM, let's see what does it say. So RPM raise, looks like my engine is running well, even though we still have a misfire here. It's not shaking. And it shakes bad now. So what do we do next on this one? This is a V6. So number 2, that's bank 2, right? How can we determine easiest path to determine this problem? Maybe we can swap coils and see. Maybe it's just a coil issue. Let's go under the hood. Okay. Let's remove this undercover. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. What can we see there? Huh? That's a broken wire, chewed wire. And we got that fancy stuff there on the side of the engine, but we have a broken wire. I don't know if I can fix this guy here. I think the best way for me is to find a pigtail, because I don't think I can remove this. I'm gonna try removing this pin here, right? Maybe we can save this connector. If not, I'm gonna find a new pin or pigtail.